Hi everybody, welcome to the video tutorial on how to disable the user account control prompts that bother us every time you start installing applications on your computer or launching some programs. Most likely, many users do not like such an intrusive concern for computer security, but most users simply do not know how to disable this feature and are forced to put up with it. Now let's do this together. On your keyboard, press the key, Win, and R simultaneously. In this window, write down User Account Control Settings and press OK. On this tab, you can choose the setting in which you want to be notified about changes on your computer. To avoid receiving notifications at all, you need to move the slider to the bottom position. OK. To save your settings changes, press Yes. And now you won't be bothered by those notifications every time you open apps like Rufus, and also when installing various programs on a computer. To return the changes to their previous state, you need to do all the steps in reverse order. I hope what I just said helps you, and if you found this helpful, please share my video with anyone. Write me a comment, I will answer all your questions and try to help you. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a nice day everyone.